Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the another exciting video with the great exciting product launched in the market. And today we are not going to look demo or simply time wasting reviews done by other YouTubers or bloggers, like reading all the same words in this marketing page and promoting with some useless bonuses. And if you need a full walking live demo, just check the video I mentioned in the description after this short video. But we are here to review all the possibilities of this product. What they mentioned here, is that really worth purchasing this product? What is the main selling point of this product, and what they mentioned about the free traffic in those sales page, is that real one? And is that possible to get profits from clickbank if having right methods to promote? So there are n number of questions out there. And also, what if I'm not satisfied with this product after purchase? And there are n number of queries will be answered in this video. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the marketing page of clickbank profits. Yes, and so what is mean by clickbank profit? So what is the main motto of this product, or what are the things they are offered to our customers? Let's see. Clickbank Profit is an app that builds a clickbank profit sites with self-driving free traffic. Yes, they have mentioned the free traffic in everywhere in their sales page. Yes, because it will drive a free traffic, but that doesn't mean you get all the buyer traffic. You get a free traffic. They have a own domain and hostings, so there is possible to get free traffic from this app. So that is not some marketing gimmick word to say they will offer some free traffic. So that is real one. So, and we can lively witness our website in ranking in Google, so which the domain and hosting will be taken care of this easy clickbank profit application. So that is not some marketing gimmick or some fake promises. And what is the usage of this easy clickbank profit? Yes, that is the very important question. So it will be very three simple step formula. Yeah, the step 1, step 2 and step 3, that is very simple. To know more about that, after this video, go and check that live demo video. And before that, what? And also the another question is, what is the benefit of using this application rather using some other tools in the market? So that is the answer for why easy clickbank profits. Yeah, that is the main motto behind this easy clickbank profit. So what is that? Let's see. So there are 6 things you have to consider. Yeah, the first thing is there is no traffic issues. Like, you don't have to spend money on traffic for your promotions, and it's a lifetime free methods, not some like 1 or 2 days or 1 week or 2 months. So it's a lifetime free traffic methods. And second, and don't need to purchase any domain by your own. And third, hosting will also not needed. And fourth will be, there is no video creation, because in easy clickbank profit sites they include a professional sales video, so which will make you a better profit. And there is no literally website you have to build. Yeah, the website will be provided by this application. And also they provide 50 proven and tested profit pages for 50 different niches. So that are the main thing we are searching for. And finally, you no need to create any emails, because in this application they provide an email which is written by highly professional copywriters. So even you no need to write emails to get any profits of your own. So this is the answer for why this clickbank profit sites. And finally, okay, what if I'm not satisfied or not happy, or this thing is not working for me? So what can I do then? So that's the biggest nightmare for every purchaser out there. Yes, but this is not some 30 days or 60 days or even 90 days money back guarantee stuff, but this is crazy. Wait, I will show you now. This is crazy 365 days money back guarantee. Yeah, that's real. Yes, absolutely, you hear me again, that is 365 days money back guarantee. So 1 year money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no risk within you, so you have nothing to lose, and this is some serious stuff out there. So without delay, just get your easy clickbank profit, and I hope I have cleared all those doubts and queries of your own. If you have any, just comment down below. But before signing off, the interesting part is premium bonus. Yes, the premium bonus is for the one who purchased these products from the link I mentioned below in the description. Yes, that is not some useless promoters give 10 to 20s of free bonuses which is completely useless. But here we as a house of Z Panda designs a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur, marketer, or doing 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whatever, whoever you may be. That's a 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, go to the description and check the link I have mentioned there. So that's a purely from houses of Z Panda. So, and how to avail that? Simple, I already mentioned. Just purchase these products from the link from our house of Z Panda link mentioned in the description. So, and finally upload the purchase receipt in the link mentioned below, which is Google site. That's all. So you will receive a premium bonus within a day. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts and queries. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.